Thanks for taking the time to learn about the Fluid Switch product line and the new Switch catalog. Switch is a relatively unique product offering, so we thought we'd create a quick video to take a deeper dive into this product category to better explain the product and all of the ways it can be used. Our Switch catalog features Switch components, retrofit kits, and new construction kits with valve trims. You may notice that there's some crossover between Switch and other Fluid Series catalogs. We include a few Switch kits in all of our regular series catalogs, and you may find them again in our full Switch catalog. This is done to make sure that you have all of the information you need, no matter which catalog series you're looking in. In the Switch catalog, we focus on four Fluid series. So we show Switch kits using City, Quad, Wisdom, and Utopia. Remember, though, you can use any of our Fluid series with Switch. Switch components are the individual parts that make up the Switch system. The slide bar itself is available in 26 inches or 18 inches. The 18-inch bar is great for retrofit kits when you're replacing a shower head in an older home with lower ceilings. Switch slide bars are available with square or round escutcheons, depending on the style you prefer. Once you've chosen a slide bar, you then choose which arm you prefer. The 8-inch standard arm is 8 inches long with a 2-inch rise. The rise is the distance from the original location of the shower head to the top of the new shower arm. The 8-inch tall arm has the same 8-inch length but has a 6-inch rise, which is great for taller people. Both of these shower kits can be used with any of the shower heads pictured here. The 16-inch arm works best with rain shower heads and also has a 6-inch rise. You always have to make sure that there's enough room between the shower head and the ceiling, no matter which arm you choose. But remember, if you change your mind later, you can always change out just the shower arm. So you could use a standard 8-inch arm with a small shower head, and if you change your mind later, you can very easily change it out to a 16-inch arm with a rain shower head. That's the nature of Fluid Switch. It's completely flexible and customizable. Switch is installed using the Fluid Speed Connect system to ensure easy, trouble-free installation. You simply screw the Speed Connect into the fitting in the wall, and if it's too long, you can cut it right on site without having to go and change out fittings. Of course, full instructions are listed on our website and are included with Switch kits. Retrofit kits are Switch shower systems that do not include valve trims. These are used when a homeowner is looking to add a slide bar and a hand shower to their existing shower system without having to redo the plumbing. Here are before and after images of a standard shower head that was replaced with a Switch retrofit system, all without touching the walls or the rough-in plumbing. Switch kits for new construction are full shower kits with all of the components and valve trims included. They also require a fluid, non-diverting shower valve, which is sold separately. Switch is perfect for new construction because you can use the least expensive non-diverting shower valve and still get a deluxe system with a shower head, slide bar, hand shower, and if you like, even a tub spout. When you're looking at Switch new construction kits, the catalog shows a lot of variations. We know that this can be a bit confusing, but once we review how they are created and what they include, they're really quite easy to understand. Because we have different lengths of slide bars and different shower arms, you can customize the Switch shower system to your exact requirements. As an example, let's go through the F241013T kit to show you how customization works. The main kit shown here features a 26-inch slide bar and an 8-inch standard shower arm. Remember, the standard shower arm is 8 inches long with a 2-inch rise. The first variation listed is an F241013T-tall. This means that the kit is exactly as shown above, but instead of using a 26-inch slide bar with a standard shower arm, it uses the tall shower arm with a 6-inch rise. This option is great for taller people. The next variation is for an F241013T-18. This means that the kit again has the same components, but instead of a 26-inch slide bar, this kit uses an 18-inch slide bar and a standard 8-inch shower arm. This is good for a shower with a lower ceiling. The last variation is the F241013T-18T. This means that the kit again has the same components as the original, but uses an 18-inch slide bar with a tall 8-inch shower arm. So one kit is shown in four different ways. Whether using Switch to retrofit an existing shower or for renovations or new construction, the biggest features it provides are choice, convenience, and cost savings. If you have any questions about the new Fluid Switch catalog or Switch systems in general, please give us a call at 1 800 460 7019. We'd love to hear from you.